Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, Claymore kick from Adam delivery. You got to be kidding me. Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Oh, my God. Roman Reigns. Oh, KO by Orton. Miss John Cena. Great ball.
Doing. I can see one flaw in Carlitos.
Who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away. Sunday, every man for himself. Oh, KO! Goodness! And his name is John Cena. You gotta be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Is he gonna deliver? Sweet. Oh, the Claymore kick from out of nowhere! Cena delivering it!
On the move. Going to put the finishing touches on this match.